山国川です。川の水が道路に溢れ出ています。
So I think the flooding is consistent with the warming. We don't have the infrastructure set up to manage that at this point in time, and it's having, literally grave consequences.
I think what's important about these heat events especially is that they do really impact quality of life. And I think we're really struggling to get a handle on the overall consequences for public health, but especially when you've got a heat event that's also got wildfire smoke, or a heat event that also has a power failure.